Did you know you can't see, smell, or taste radon? Testing is simple and has no to low cost. Test this winter. How radon gets into your home. 1. Through construction joints. 2. Through cavities and cracks inside walls. 3. Through a sump pump. 4. Through cracks in solid floors. 5. Through gaps around service pipes. 6. Through gaps in suspended floors. 7. Through private wells and groundwater supplies. Test your home. Make repairs. Learn more at www.cdc.gov/radon. To begin your test, start by removing the test kit from its plastic wrapping. Then, review the instructions included and set them to the side. Once you have read and understood the instructions, scan the QR code. Visit www.radon.com/register or write on the test. Make sure to record the device number located next to the barcode. Squeeze the envelope so the cardboard flap folds down. This keeps the test kit open while it is hanging. Hang the test kit at breathing level, about 2 to 5 feet from the floor. Do you know where to place a radon test? Place it in the lowest building area that is regularly used. Place the kit where it will not be disturbed. Hang the kit centrally in the room. Hang the kit within a normal breathing area. Keep the test kit out of direct sunlight. Keep the test kit at least 3 feet away from doorways, hallways, windows, or vents. Do not place the kit in a draft. Place the kit in the same room with any type of fan. Place a kit near any heat source. Test in areas with high humidity such as bathrooms or laundry rooms. After 3 to 7 days, go online or fill out the information on the card. Pull the cardboard out, discard it, and seal the kit. And mail the test immediately using the prepaid postage on the other side of the test kit. To get your results online, visit www.radon.com. Click Already Tested and enter your test serial number. Test kits are available. Contact Marjorie at 203-977-2748 or email her at mbeauchette@stanfordct.gov.